This instructional video is brought to you by Red Rocks Community College and a grant from the U.S. Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration. Colorado helps advanced manufacturing programs, known as CHAP.
Welcome to Red Rocks Community College Career Success Center. Red Rocks Community College Career Success Center has a variety of services to help you throughout your career journey. From helping you explore what career you want to pursue and gaining experience through experiential learning, as well as employment services to help you write a resume and prepare for an interview. Visit the Career Success Center at rrcc.edu/career-services. One of our great employment services resource is our online job board, Career Connect. You can also go directly to the Career Connect webpage by going to rrcc.edu/career-connect. On Career Connect, employers post full-time and part-time positions and internships. Students and alumni have the ability to search jobs posted on Career Connect. All the positions on Career Connect have been pre-screened. Employers that post positions on Career Connect like hiring Red Rock students and alumni. It's important to check Career Connect frequently because new jobs are constantly being added. The first step at Career Connect is setting up your own profile. In this short training module, we will show you how to set up your profile. You will need the following information before setting up your Career Connect profile: name, address, phone number, your Red Rocks Community College email, your approximate GPA, your S number, and also know the type of position you're interested in: full-time, part-time, internship, or a combination of these. Most of this information, except for the type of position, is available through the ROC at rrcc.edu. Once you're at the Career Connect webpage, click on the option for Student and Alumni Login/Register at the top of the page. This will take you to the Student Login page. Since we have not yet set up a profile, select the option Click here to register. On this screen, read through the Candidate Consent and Release for Submission of Data. If you agree, click on the option for Yes, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the above candidate consent. Click the Continue button to go to the next screen. This will take you to the Register page. The Register page has several different sections of information that needs to be filled out. The top section is for personal information. The next section is for demographic information. Following that is the Skills section. Then there is a section for additional information. At the very bottom is a section called Control Information. You will notice required fields are preceded by an asterisk. Most of the sections have at least some required fields that need to be filled out before clicking on Register. Even though there is a Register button within each section, all the required fields for the entire page must be filled out before clicking on Register. Now that we understand the entire page, let's go back up to the top and begin to fill out the information. You will first enter your personal information. Let's start by entering your first name. To go to the next field, press the Tab key. The middle name is optional. Press the Tab key again to get to the last name field. Enter your last name and press the Tab key again. For the username, enter your Red Rocks Community College email address. Enter a password for your Career Connect profile. This is a password only for your Career Connect profile, not your password for your Red Rocks Community College email address. Enter the password again to confirm it. Enter your address in the address line 1 field. Enter a second address line if needed. Enter your city. Click on the drop-down arrow to select your state. Enter your zip code. Enter your primary phone number. Be sure to enter your Red Rocks Community College email address one more time. If you would like to receive text messages about positions that match your profile, be sure to select Yes for these text message options in this section. The text message option fields, as well as the remaining fields in this section, are optional. If you would like to receive notifications to your personal email, be sure to fill in the personal email field. Job notifications will automatically be sent to your Red Rocks email address. If you add your personal email, job notifications will also be sent to your personal email address. Next, we will fill in the demographic information. The first field in this section is a student type. Select the appropriate student type, either continuing student, first semester student, or alumni. The next field is your desired position. Select one or more of the options from the drop-down box. Select any type of position that you are open to. The type of positions you select here will then show up in your job searches, but you need to make sure that you select the position types here. For example, if you do not select part-time, when you do a job search, it will not include any part-time jobs. If you want to select more than one option, hold down the Control key to select more than one. Enter your GPA. This can just be an approximate of your GPA. Click on the drop-down to enter the degree you have attained or are seeking at Red Rocks Community College. Click in the Majors field to bring up a list of majors to select from. This will open up another window. Click on All Majors to see the list. Select your major or majors from this list. Click Save when you are done. The rest of the fields in this section are optional. The next section is the Skills section. You can enter any information that you would like to include in your profile in these three fields. Remember, if you want to select more than one in any of the drop-down options, hold down the Control key. The next section is Additional Information. Again, enter any information that you want to include in your profile and that you think would be helpful for any potential employers. The one required field in this section is the answer to the question, Allow employer viewing of my profile. If you select yes, employers can review your skills and your experience within your profile and reach out to you. And finally, the last section in the control information, enter your student S number. After you have completed this page and filled in at least all the required fields, click on the Register option. If there are any errors or if we missed any required fields, you will receive an error at the top of the page indicating which fields need to be edited or added. If everything is good, it will then go to a Submit Profile page. Then click on the Submit Profile option. This page lists partners of Red Rocks Community College. These sites can be used to further your job search. If you do not want to set up accounts on these sites and use the job search inside Career Connect, set the option for these partners to No. Click Submit when done. Your account is now under review. Check your Red Rocks email address for approval of your account. This completes this training module. Be sure to check out our next training module that will show you how to add a resume and search for jobs within your Career Connect account.